This is Blooming Branches stem set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 stem set with 9 individual stamps. Designed with simplicity in mind, this stem set is perfect for beginners new to layering. This set is great for fall or holiday seasons and features delicate branches and heartwarming sentiments that are wonderful for cards for any occasion. You can simply stem these to use as backgrounds or one-layer focal points, or use it with the coordinating dies for an added dimensions on your projects. This Blooming Branches stem set is a high-quality photopolymer stamp manufactured right here in the USA. To find out more about the Blooming Branches stem set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.